Hello guys, welcome back to Isaac Magic Trading Community. And yesterday we had an amazing webinar and it was very amazing. We were looking at, actually I spent a lot of time talking about the GBPUSD downside for the sell setups, and it went very amazing. Yesterday, pound dollar was the main talking point. It was the main talking point for us when we started the webinar for the Q&A, and I told them that we are looking for sell setup on this pair, and actually they were blown away. This is where we are now. So we took all this sell, all of this, we took it today. You can check my Telegram group. If you are not in, you can check. This was the setup that we posted. Telling everybody early in the morning, I posted this setup for them. That guys, don't miss this sell. We are heading down, and actually the market smacked very heavy down. We had quite a few setups that I posted in the channel. I posted EURUSD for the buy. You can see EURUSD did exactly, it slammed down here, and then we get the buy. It did exactly what it was saying. We had CAD yen for sale, and CAD yen, you can see that CAD yen moves almost 200 to 300 pips today. So the Telegram channel, they are very Euro New Zealand as well. We spent some time yesterday on Euro New Zealand, forecasting Euro New Zealand as well for the buy setup, and it went very amazing. Okay, so I would like to say thank you for all those who made it yesterday in the webinar, and actually you have seen the benefit of being there. So if you are not in the Telegram group, it's called Isaac Magic. You can join the Isaac Magic Trading Community. We discuss setups. I post setups for people to take and make some money. And I will tell you to, if you like it, share the channel, invite your friends to join us. You can share the YouTube video, wherever you want to do it, and let's go. Okay. So today we're gonna start straight from the forecasting from the USDCAD. We are looking at the USDCAD, and USDCAD, we're still looking for downside. We are still looking for downside for the USDCAD. Okay. So when the market open, we call something called the open drives. We trade the open drives. We trade the first 3 hours of the market open. Why do we say that? Because we know what you are looking for. We don't wait for any. We trade the open drive market. So what do we do now is we are looking for sell setups. So we go to 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is doing pullback. So we will suggest that market to make a short pullback up. A pullback up. It's gonna range now for the Asian time. Okay. Keep your close eye here. Put your cells here, because you are coming to break this low by tomorrow morning, or tomorrow morning, market is come to make a new low. Why is market doing that? The accepted price of today ended here. The accepted price of today ended here. So the bears are also getting loose. They are losing strength, and the bulls are taking over. But my point of view here is right now that the bulls are just making a pullback. They can make a correction. They are making some correction to the value area. I don't think they will break the value area. If these guys decide to break our value area, we're going to look for buy. If they stay below the value area, we are looking for sell. So right now, market is now about to close in a few hours, and I'm closing a key position. I'm looking for myself from here. Yeah, if you want to take a sell, you take your sell, your stop loss stays here. Okay? So you put a sell stop and your stop loss here. We can take this to 50 minutes time frame, looking for sell opportunity. Yeah, market might likely come and take this guy. Might likely come and take this guy. Yes, it might come down here. It will come up here, sorry. Yeah, it will come up here. Take this guy first and then slam down. Okay, so keep a close eye, but your sell stays here. You can put your sell stops here. You can use this as your sell stop. Sell, stop. Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you want to go, yeah, minimum your sell stop can stay there. And then if we drive up here, we can look for our sellers here because it's making some pullback. Then we're gonna a point of control. Then we're gonna slam down. Okay. So keep a close eye on this one for the downside. There is a buy setup now, but for me personally, I don't really like the pullback bias. So Aussie Chief as well. We are likely also to make a move up just to correct this. So we can end up by moving up again, make a correction before the sell. So market made a very good move today. It's trying to retrace back. So wait for this thing to pass. Let's wait for pullback before we go for the buy. Okay. So if you want to go for any position, wait for market to be settled. What are we looking for is our target. This is a sell. You can see that we are making lower lows. We break this low, we break this low, we're breaking this low, and we make another low. So can this make a pullback up to take this section and flop? Yes. So let's wait for this to make this pullback up. Then we're gonna look for the sell again. It's just doing some ranging. Aussie yen as well. We went for sell. I don't know if I posted these setups in the channel, but me personally, I was looking for sell with all the yen pairs. So yeah, here is it. It's making correction, pullback. We're gonna sell. This is our target. Okay, so wait for correction here. Take this top here, and then we drop down. So keep a close eye on it for the sell setup coming. Yeah, so you're gonna make a short pullback here. Take this top. You can take a short-term buy. It's gonna take this top, and then we drop down. Okay, so keep a close eye here. I'm expecting him to come here. Where the bulb is. Okay, so we go for 1 hour. Yeah, let's take this top. Let the market take this top. Short-term buy to take this week, and then we're gonna look for our sell. We're gonna look for our sell. If we are wrong, we're gonna make the buy. Okay, if you want to get this trade, this is my target I'm looking for. Okay, if you look at what he's doing, he's sending down, he's going down, he's going down, he's coming down, he's coming down. Okay, when you get here, you take these tops, wait for mitigation and drop. Okay, Aussie, New Zealand as well. We have been looking for sell all this time. So this week, it's making another correction. If you look at what happened here, it's making some range. And this guy, his correction is annoying. Okay, so it's making some correction, pullback. But always make sure you have a sell stop below. Because when you break the previous low, it gives you a good pip. When you break the previous low, it gives you a good pip. So when it's doing that, you position yourself here, sell stop below. So that before it's gonna drop, you're already in. Okay? So keep your eyes on the sell. Aussie dollar. So you can see that our setups is already flowing. This is it. We are looking for the sell from here. This is our sell section. Okay? We're gonna make another pullback here to take this side, and we are coming down. So wait for the correction. This will make a pullback up to this level. Then we are dropping again. So when it's like that, I will say put yourself stop below. Okay, you go to 50 minutes time frame and you start looking, or make sure that the market make a 50% pullback here. You put your stop loss here, and then you take yourself. This is your target and this is your risk, which is more than necessary of your targets, more than 5 times of your target. So it's enough. The next one is Chief here, CAD Chief. CAD Chief is also downside. Okay, CAD Chief is downside. Yeah. Where are we looking for our targets? We are looking for this level, this price. For market to make some few pullbacks here, anytime it break, it's gonna make first pullback here. So it can be your first TP. It's gonna make a pullback tonight, Asian time, make a correction and drop. Make a correction, it's gonna keep doing this and that. So keep a close eye looking for the downside. Cardian, the same. We already posted this in the Telegram for the sell. So if you are not in, make sure you get yourself in this trade, because we posted it in the Telegram group. You can see the Cardian. You can see when it was posted. So today we clean a very, very good money. So make sure that you are in. Chief Yen, the same. Chief Yen is making some pullback. So when you get a chance, you're gonna sell, you sell. I'm not giving signals, but I'm giving you market forecast so that you can be able to choose which pair you want. Keep a close eye here, because we might have a deeper pullback. You might come and take this stop. Okay, so this will keep going up here before we come down. So this is a look for buy setup. Look for buy setups. Yeah, you're gonna look for a short-term buy. My internet is freezing. Okay. Yeah. A short-term buy. So let this do what he's doing, and then we get him here. It's coming here. So keep your eyes on this side. This is just a short-term pullback, okay? A short-term move, not really a big, massive move. But I don't really like this kind of pullbacks buy. I go for the impulses, because I don't really like this baby pips. Otherwise, no. If you look at this, we are looking for the downside. Be buying this. What is the chance of this touching here and drop down? But if I'm looking for the sell, I don't need to worry, because if this thing do anything like that, it's still gonna drop for me. So I personally like to look for the sell setups, not the buy setups. Asia time will give us an idea, then you take your sell. Okay, keep your eyes on the sell. That is my advice to you. Euro AUD. Yeah, we are looking for the buy. So you can see that we have our buy here. We have our buy here. We're expecting this buy. So we did this. I was taking out, but now the buy have started already. So let's kick off. This is the target. It's coming up to this level. Okay, so look for this price and position yourself to eat some money. EURUSD. If you look at the Telegram channel, I posted the EURUSD setups. I posted the EURUSD. Here is it. Yes, I know. I posted the buy. I posted the buy that I said is gonna come, drop down here, and go. And it did exactly the same. Okay, so the same thing is doing here. It came down exactly to the position that we said. It came down here, then the zoom. The market was here. I said it's coming down here and move up. And it did exactly the same. So this is the target. Stay in and enjoy the money. Euro Chief, Euro Chief. Yeah, you're gonna keep looking for buyers now. You're gonna put your buy stops here because yeah, put your buy stops here. Okay, you can take this buy. You can take this buy when the Asian market open. You can take this buy and you put your stop loss here. Put your stop loss here and take your buy because minimum you're gonna get is this level. That's a nice scalping position. Okay, so keep a close eye here. Take your buy. Euro Chief, take your buy. Euro GBP. Euro GBP is making its way up. Okay, it's a buy. So Euro GBP, you're going to look for buyers. Yes, we are looking for buyers. Our setup is not valid in this one. Okay, so we're gonna buy until we take this top this week. We are buying to take this top. So tonight, when you get a chance, you buy. You buy to this level. First, take your money from here. And then the rest is a mystery. Euro dollar. Euro dollar is still ranging. It's still ranging. So you can see that we need to wait for the pullback on the Asian time. If it's gonna reject, if the open drive will reject the price or it will hold the price back up. So we need to pay close attention here. Let's see how it happens because we've got this big move. We did not break the low. It's rejection. Okay, so we call it drive rejection, where the market to drive down, but it did not stay here. They are trying to reject it. So let's look at how this thing goes before you make a decision. Okay, I don't want you to buy or sell if it goes to the other side. Let's wait to see a clear information before we take a step. Yes, pound dollar as well. Like I said to you guys, that here we're gonna clean our money. Okay, out of the game. Out of the game. Right now, we are waiting for market to range here. It's making correction here. Okay, it's either it's gonna break out or break up. So let him do what he's doing, like a tennis ball on a flat surface. 1, 2. One way or another, he's gonna break out. Third one, or he's gonna break down. So right now, let's wait for him to do what he's doing. You've cleaned your money today, so don't worry anyway. Euro yen. The euro yen too. This is our target. This is our target. Okay. This is our target. So we make a pullback, turn down, pull back, and turn down. So keep a close eye here. Let this thing come and take this top before you drop it. So wait for this to go up and then sell it. Euro New Zealand, we had a buy. We had a buy. This morning, I posted the buy setup as well for everybody to make some money. Here is it. I posted the buy setup nicely. So let's see how it went, how far it went. Here, 4 hour. Oh, we break the TP. Now we are heading up. Okay. So we are buying this one until we break this top. This one is coming up here. I won't be surprised if this thing even break out. Okay. So keep a close eye. This is a very massive buy. Hold it and let's see how it goes. All right. So we wait for Asian time to make some pullback. Then we buy again. All right. Pound Oz. Pound Oz. I'm still looking for buyers. I'm still looking for buyers. It's just ranging. Okay. It's just ranging. So don't waste your time here. Let's jump. Pound card. We also have open rejection here. Open rejection here. Okay, so let's wait for decision making. They can have this again. This one can do it for a long time. I heard somebody saying that this can take 3 years. So we are not trading for 3 years anyway. So let's wait. This is indecisive. It's still ranging. So let's see what happened by the open drives. This is the key point in this section. Pound yen. We're still heading down. Pound yen, we are going down. We took a buy here. I was expecting here before downside, but it finished here and it started tanking down. Okay, so we are coming down. Let's look for this section first to come out. All right. Pound New Zealand. Yes, we are looking for buyers. Pound New Zealand is ready for buy. That means New Zealand is going to be weak. New Zealand dollar and New Zealand card and all of this, anything with New Zealand is going to be a disaster. Okay, so keep a close eye here. Correction, we buy again. This is going to be very fast. So keep a close eye on it. Pound Chief. Yes, in Pound Chief, we are heading down again. We are heading down again. So what we do is that we wait for pullback and we sell. We wait for pullback and we sell. Okay, so keep a close eye here. Wait for pullback. The pullback will happen in 15 minutes or 1 hour. Yeah. Come and take this guy and drop. At least. Okay. Okay. We have okay, we were heading to the top. So keep a close eye here. We might make a little move down. We will make a little bit move down. Okay. We can come back here and we go. Because you're looking at this as a pattern wise. So keep a close eye for the downside. You're gonna look for sell. Look for sell. Yeah. It's gonna make a short move down. And then you clean yourself up. Okay, New Zealand dollar is a sell, okay? So what you're gonna do now is that you're gonna wait for correction here. Wait for correction here. Point of control. Okay. Yeah, a pullback back to the point of control, a bit up here. Then you take the move down. Okay. Yes, USDCAD making correction. before we spin up. So how far would the USD CAD go? If I want to use fib, I'll use this magic fib telling me how far to go. I'm looking for 414. So this can hit you here, 414. That's the first target, okay? So keep a close eye there. Dollar Chief. They say, remember, I've been telling you guys from last week that we are having this buy to that box. So let's wait for this to reach there and we're gonna take a sell. Okay, keep a close eye here. UJ start giving us some nice move. Let's see how it's gonna be. It's still not stable. We're gonna be looking for buyers. Let's finish the pullback. Okay. All right then. I will stop the recording and I thank you all. Those who are going to watch this video, watch it and share it, like it and subscribe to the channel. Okay, you can see that I'm very drained. You can hear from my voice, but I'm still fighting for you guys. So have a wonderful day. Share my videos. Join the Telegram channel so that you make some pips. Okay, have a wonderful evening and stay strong. Let's just print the money. Thank you. Bye-bye.